DeerHunterFan.com TV is sponsored by 12 Point Property Management, Insane Archery, Gold Tip, Vapor Trail, Ohio Trophy Buck Outfitters, Bee Stinger, Oak Ridge Game Calls, Outback Archery, Sinclairville Seed Company, Robin Scents, and Sinclairville Superette.
Hi, I'm Brian Madison with DeerHunterFan.com TV. This episode we're going to show you a hunt where I was cameraman for Travis.
Yeah, probably. I will too. Spotted some turkeys from the road, about 6 or 8 of them, right down here by the creek bottom. We're gonna try to stalk down, give a call, or else just stalk right up on them. It's all uphill to the field. Okay. Quiet way right there. Isn't that road right there? Yeah, but I bet they're going right to this compost pile. Where are they at? Probably right in front of us. I was gonna go. We won't be able to get up there. We'll scare them. Won't we? I don't know. Dude, there they are right there. They're straight out. Don't move. They will see us. They're coming this way, Travis. Look at me. They're coming this way. As soon as we get a chance, let's go to that road. We're gonna have to get low. But wait, that one's still right there. Okay. We can get down. Nice and slow. I mean, like this. It's real slow. Okay, we gotta crawl.
We saw these birds from the road and we stalked down in on them. Used our Oak Ridge game calls, mouth calls to locate them on the field edge. Even though we wound up having to stalk this guy and we couldn't get him to come in, the one thing the call was good for was being able to tell where he was in the field.
They're going into that next field up. Is that the cornfield? That plow field right there? Yep, they're going into it. Right now. There goes that 2 hens and a Jake. Yes. Hang on. No, not yet. Alright, I'm on him. Get ready, he's looking. Call him and shoot him. Go get him. Hurry up. Stay on. Run him down. Beautiful bird.
Me and Brian. Last night we seen these birds strutting up in this field, and I thought it'd be a good chance to get one if we had a chance this morning. So we took the opportunity with the rain, got out of work early, and snuck up on this bird once, and wasn't working, so we snuck around the hill and got a good chance at him. Brian was coaching me and keeping me calm. And
Yeah, we spotted them the first time from the road, probably 300 yards, probably 300-400 yards. We just couldn't get them to come in. They started up over the hill, right towards us, turned around left, and Travis said, you know, we probably got one shot at it if we get to sneak around that gas well. I didn't think we were going to be able to pull it off. I thought we were making too much noise going through the woods, but must have been just enough cover with the rain and the wind that we were okay, and popped up for about a 30-yard shot.
yeah,
And then some follow-up shots, but we got them down.
we got him.